Hi everyone, we've got some exciting news to share with you today. If you've been following us for a while, you have known us as Quiltcraft, but we're evolving. This channel is rebranding to Threadwell, a fresh name that better represents who we've become and where we're headed. Now, we know that change takes time. You'll see things update gradually. The channel name, the logo, maybe even some new content styles. But here's the good news. All the valuable information that you've come to rely on is staying right here. So if you need to reference any of our tutorials, how-tos, or product guides, go ahead. All those videos are still relevant and ready to help you out. Expect fresh content, new ideas, and the same dedication to quality that you've always known us for. Thanks for being a part of this journey with us. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any of what's coming next. Welcome to Threadwell, and we'll see you in our next video.